Hello. Now the next question. I'm going to share the question with you. The circuit shown in the figure, if 4 bits CPO register, which is initially loaded with 1010, if the 3 clock pulses are applied, then the data in the system will be. It is said that 1010 is initially stored, and what will be the data inside after 3 clock pulse? This is the question. I solved this. I'm going to share the solution with you. See here. Here, in as it was said that initially it is 1010. So if I write here clock pulse 0, then the data is in clock pulse 0, the data is 1010. And after the application of clock 1, first clock pulse, what will be? This one will go here and this 0 will go here, and the output will be output of this will be 1. And in the first clock pulse, this one will go inside, and this one will push this one, and this one will be pushed here, and this one will push this 0. This 0 will be pushed here, and this 0 will push this, and so this one will be pushed here, and this 0 will get outside the register. Okay, so now the data inside the shift register is 1100. So now what will happen? This 0 will go here, and this one will go here, and the output of this 0, this 1 will be this 0, and this 1 will be 1, and this one will push this one, so this one will get pushed, this one will get pushed to the next bit. So this much 110 will be here, 1 1 and 0, and this one will get outside. Okay, now the next clock pulse. In next clock pulse, this 1 and this 0 will go into the NAND gate, and the output of the NAND gate X, this 1 and 0 will go into the NAND gate, this 1 and this 0, okay, will go into the NAND gate, and output will be 1. This output will this output 1 will get inside the first box here, and this first box will be this one. So, and this whole data, this one, this much will get shifted by 1 bit, and this will be here. So the output clock pulse 3 will be 1 1 1 1, and that is what exactly is the answer. Okay, so after 3 clock pulse, the data inside will be 1 1 1 1. Okay, that is the answer. Now the next question. Now the next question is very similar to this question, and so I will discuss this in a row, and I think it will be very clear to you. Okay, I'm going to share another screen. And this is screen 3. This is the question. Okay, question says initially loaded 1011. If the clock pulse applied continuously, after how many pulse again the data becomes 1010. Okay, in this question the number of pulse required to repeat it in the data as what is at the clock 0, it is going to be required. Now the solution of this. See, initially 1011 is inside this, okay, and this is XOR gate. XOR gate truth table you need to know, which is very clear that this one and this one, so output will be 0, output will be 0, and this 0 and this 0, output will be 0. So in first clock pulse the input will be 0, and this 0 will shift this 1 to here, and this 0 to here, and this 1 to here, and the last digit, this 1, will go outside the shift register. Now the input of this will, now what is stored after first clock pulse? 0 1 0 0 is stored inside this box, and so 0 and 1, 0 here and 1 here, output will be 1, and this one is 1 1 and 1, output here will be, the final output here will be 0. So after the second clock pulse, 0 will push this, the first 0 to here, and this one will get pushed here, and this 0 will get pushed here, like this. Like this. If you see in the last clock pulse, in the 7th clock pulse, I again get 1011, which was initially stored in the shift register. So the answer will be 7th clock pulse. Okay, this is so easy. Bye.